Okay, so good evening everyone. I hope you are doing fine, and I believe you are now busy, studying for your examinations. And I wish you good luck and God bless for your examination tomorrow and for the following day. And because of a calamity that we are facing today, we're not able to meet our plan, our objective, to hold a performance task which should culminate, this week or last week pa, but unfortunately because of the earthquake, we're not able to do so. So for this reason, we will no longer have our performance task. So the last requirement that I gave, which was the go bag, persuasive speech, info video, will be your final performance to me. So I think and I believe everyone already submitted through Google Classroom. So that would be the basis of my judgment for your performance task, and the rest of your activities or the rest of your submitted requirements will also be included for the grading system. So I hope you already have submitted the requirements or the video, especially also the radio broadcasting, because that's also part of the performance task that will be included in my grading, for the second quarter. So should you have any inquiries or should you have any questions with regards to our subject, please contact me, okay? Message me or meet me tomorrow during your vacant time or your available time. So I will be just in the office to accommodate your inquiries. And for others who would like to comply with the remaining requirements, so you can do so. Okay, so before the weekend. So please, wag na tayong mag-submit next week, because we already have our sem break. So we only have up to or until Friday to submit all the requirements needed for our oral communication. So I wish you good luck, and I hope I can still see you next semester, if hindi ako mag-change sa mga subjects ko, or precisely mag-change talaga, but I hope you are still my students, for the next sem, so that I could continue, teaching you for the rest of the year, remaining months of this school year. So God bless, good luck everyone.